Hey guys, it's Emmy from the ET Reviews here, and today I've got a video outlining all the rumours surrounding the new iPhone 6s and the 6s Plus. So firstly, the release date of the new iPhone 6s will be in September 2015. This is when Apple have the annual conference when they release all the new iPhones. This follows from the 6 and the 6 Plus being released in September 2014. Now firstly, let's get onto the design of the devices. So as coinciding with the previous 5S, the 6S will be very similar in design compared to the iPhone 6 and the 6 Plus. The only aesthetic difference that will be noticeable is the introduction of a new colour scheme. Some people say it will be pink, others say it will be rose gold. Rose gold seems to be the colour most likely going to be favoured due to the Apple Watch having this same rose gold design. This colour will also be alongside the existing colours found on the 6. The next new technology featured in the next iPhone will be Force Touch that we have seen in the Apple Watch. What this does is differentiate between a touch and a hard press. This will be implemented into iOS 9 where there have been concept videos on what Force Touch can add to the iOS. For example, in this concept video, the user gets the control center up and presses hard on the Bluetooth icon, which brings up the Bluetooth settings menu instead of just turning Bluetooth on, which is done by a normal tap. Another additional feature we could see is Apple moving the screen up to 1080p, due to the current 720p display being a bit outdated right now. However, it does seem very unlikely that this will happen. Due to the new Force Touch being added, the new iPhone will reportedly be around 0.2mm thicker than the predecessor. However, it'll still be able to fit with cases and accessories that are out right now. Inside the phone, alleged features include a speedier Apple A9 processor with 2GB of RAM. Touch ID will also be getting revamped due to the fingerprint scanner being made a lot quicker than it is right now. On top of all this, Apple are apparently using a new material to make the housing on the iPhone so that it will be no longer able to bend how it is right now. Also, supposedly, Apple will be killing the 16GB model of the iPhone and now having the base model as the 32GB. The series will also come in the 64GB and 128GB versions. This comes after many users couldn't update to iOS 8 due to the huge amount of storage needed to be free before updating. This will hope to address the problem, but could this also mean that the base model would cost more than the previous devices? Now, the next new update will be on the camera. This will again be protruding like the last iPhone, which can make it quite awkward when placed on a table due to the iPhone rocking back and forth when touched. So the back camera is reportedly going to be a 12MP sensor that's able to record 4K video with 240 frames per second slow motion. The front camera will also be a 5MP sensor. So there you go guys, that's the rumours surrounding the new iPhone 6s and the new 6s Plus. As you can see, it's very similar to the iPhone 6 and the 6 Plus with a couple of new improvements. So guys, be sure to leave a like down below, and if you have any opinions on anything in the video, place a comment down below. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to see some more great videos.